going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing some more DIY stuff, which means we have something new to install. This is gonna be a dish drainer, water drainer, wherever you want to call it. I don't know where it is. Like those things, the stacks that you put plates on after you wash them so that the water can drain to the sink, you know what I'm saying? So I've got one here already, but it's not doing the job that it needs to do. We've had it for 2 years, and I feel like it's now time to upgrade to the next level, which means we're gonna move away from the metal clingy stuff that keeps rusting onto the frame, which we then have to put a rubber thing on the bottom of it, but the rubber gets dirty because there's no way out for the water to go. So I bought this from Amazon to sort of help with that. So we're gonna do a little unboxing thing right now. So let's get it on. First things first, I think it's got a bottom tray. They might not even need a lot of assembly, you know, because it's looking nice. It's looking all right. So we're gonna open it up. I don't want to scratch it too much. I'm trying to cut the. All right, let me do it from the side because I don't want to scratch the inside too with the scissors. So let's see. Actually, it feels nice. It's still metal, kinda, but. Oh, plastic. All right, this is plastic. So this is what the bottom tray looks like. It's got the exhaust pipe. All right. So you can swing it in many directions for the water to come out. So that would be dope. That should fit where it's meant to go there very perfectly. So exhaust pipe and the thing over here. We've got the instruction manual. And we've got some hooks. We've got a tray. So now that works. Just gonna pop it right there. Maybe it works like that. I don't know. We're gonna find out soon. Some wrapping stuff. Ooh, more instruction manuals. Oh, there's 2. All right. And then another smaller tray to go on top. And another hook. And some plastic, I think, like cutlery holder, basically, to drain it out. There's no holes at the bottom. Interesting. Where's the water going? Oh no, there is holes in the bottom. Right here. So we got that, and then we've got another one here, whatever that is supposed to do. You know it better than I do. Alright. So what do we do first? Let's get rid of that. There we go. So that is already there, chilling, sitting pretty. We're gonna then. Oh, take bracket C. So these are bracket C's. This is the oh, it goes in this way. I don't know. Can you see it? Can you see what I'm doing? Let's turn this light on. There we go. So it should go in. Oh, it goes from the back. Now from the back, take it. Okay, so it goes in from the back like that, and then it grabs these legs like this. Y'all see the Tetris I'm doing right now? It's a Tetris thing. So pop that on here like that. Oh, it needs 2 people for this job. All right, let me try a different way. You, yes. You rest over there. I'm gonna put you in like that, and then we'll pull this. Oh, it's a big pull. Pow! And just like that, the assembly is complete. Well, some of the assembly is complete. Now we can start stacking dish in here. This is interesting though. Interesting stuff. We're gonna place it where? Actually, let me see the rest. Let's do the full assembly before I move on too quickly. All right, let's go. Let's do that. Oh, there we go. That's better. So it just sits on top like that. And then the plastic bits goes where? To the side. They go to the side like that. Don't know what this is, but where are you going? Oh, it sits in here. What am I doing? All right, this is supposed to sit in one of these lot. Like that. Boom. All right, and that's the end of the build. Look at that. Pow. And now we're gonna go use it properly. And I like the fact that it's actually got a rubber thing at the bottom. So like the legs of the actual unit, as you can see here, these legs, all four of them, they got rubber. So if you put it on the aluminum surface there, it would not get rust or anything like that. So that's probably not for what I need it for, but I'm gonna keep the whole unit. And just because I want to see the exhaust pipe in action, I'm gonna pour some water into it. You know, let's see what happens there. It's not what? Do I need to release it? Oh, there's a plug. There was a plug. I didn't take out the plug. So now I got the plug out. And it's draining. Brilliant. That's all I ever wanted. Cool. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Like the video.